Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to start working with VirtualBox Guest Edition and how to install it in your virtual Windows 7. Now, let's start. The VirtualBox Guest Edition is a really great feature of VirtualBox, and it consists of device drives and system applications. You can see it over here for optimizing the operating system for better performance and usability, and in fact for some device drives. So if you want to work professionally with your virtual machine, you should install it before anything in your virtual machine. Now let's do it. First of all, let's start my virtual machine. Click on it, and this is running. So this is my Windows 7 on my virtual machine. Come to devices, and this is insert guest edition CD image. If you click on it, so after a couple of seconds, if you come to computer, you can see the virtual CD over here. This is the virtual drive, and the VirtualBox automatically inserted the virtual guest edition CD inside it. So you can run it from here, or you can right click on your drive and open. Now you can run this one, for instance. Great. And yes. So based on the version of your Windows, you can install it automatically. And this is, come to next. And I don't want to change it, and come to next. By default, you have two options. This is the first one, and you can see the description about it over here, and it enables Direct3D support for guest operating systems. By default, it's unchecked. Why? Because the VirtualBox detected it, and I respect to the VirtualBox decision. And the next one, come to install, and this is it. It's really simple and straightforward. Click on install, and it's really fast, so let's do it. Great. Now click on install and see the result. Excellent. Now I need to reboot my computer, so let's finish it. And this is the reboot, or you can do it from here. If you can't see the reset progress of your computer, reset it from here, but be patient until it resets automatically. Great. Now let's starting my Windows, and this is the result. Log in, and now I have my guest edition installed on my computer, and if I come over here, I can see it icon here. And in addition, come to control panel, where are you? Great. And come to programs and features. So you can see it installed over here. Now everything is ready for me to start sharing my folders with my host Windows, or in fact my own Windows. This is a really great idea, sharing the folders with my own Windows with the virtual Windows. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and install your VirtualBox Guest Edition and stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial. See you soon.